Good morning, kindergarten. We have a new book today. The title is David's Drawings. Story and pictures by Catherine Falwell. So it seems like that she wrote the story and also was the illustrator. She was the author and illustrator for this book. David's Drawings. Oh, it looks like it's wintertime. One gray winter day, David saw a beautiful tree. When he got to school, David took off his boots and hung up his jacket. He found a pencil and a fresh piece of paper. David thought for a moment. Then he made a drawing of the tree he had seen. Nice tree, said Amanda, but it needs color. David got some crayons and made the tree brown. Amanda smiled. Some grass too, she said. David handed her a green crayon. Here, you can make some, he said shyly. Amanda colored green grass under the tree. So boys and girls, she's helping him add some color and some details. That tree needs leaves, Ryan said. David looked at his drawing and then began to add leaves. He let Ryan add a few more. Look, said Jamal, I have these cool stickers. May I put some on the picture? Sure, said David. I know, it needs a person, like me, Laurel said. She grinned and drew a girl. It needs a boy too, said Carlos. Okay, said David. Carlos drew a boy with an orange shirt. So they're adding all these colors and details to make the picture a little more colorful, a little more exciting, a little brighter. Kira quickly added a row of fluffy clouds. Brandon drew a cat and a dog, then added a smiling turtle. Birds would look nice, said Lee May. She drew two flying in the sky. It needs a rainbow too, said Rosie. She set to work with a fist full of colors. The bell rang for class to begin. That was fun, said Ryan. We made a great picture, said Kira. See you at recess, David? Asked Amanda. Sure, David agreed. At the end of the day, David looked at the picture again. Then he wrote, Our class picture, neatly on the bottom, and hung it on the bulletin board. David walked home from school. On the way, he saw the beautiful tree. And boys and girls, if you look at the tree he is looking at, there's snow all around, just a gray sky, no leaves on the tree. It's very plain because it's the middle of winter. When he got home, David took off his boots and hung up his jacket. He found a pencil and a fresh piece of paper. David thought for a moment. Then he made a drawing of the tree he had seen. David's sister came over to the table. Nice drawing, she said. But it needs something. David looked up. His sister smiled. It needs to hang on your wall. I think so too, said David. Then he wrote, My drawing, neatly on the bottom, and hung the picture right above his bed. Oh, and there he is going to sleep, boys and girls. So that was his drawing, and that was the way he had seen the tree when he was walking to school. But then when he got to school and all of his friends wanted to add more details and colors and things to the picture, he let them. And they turned that into a class drawing and hung it on the bulletin board at school. Then when he went home and David had passed the tree and seen it again, he drew it the way he remembered it, and that is, he wrote my drawing. That's his. He kept it just the way he wanted it and hung it up above his bed. But he also was a good friend, and he let his classmates and his friends add some more details to the drawing at school. All right, boys and girls, that was called David's Drawing. That was one of our reading books for this week. All right, have a great day. I miss you guys. I'll see you soon.